Hey Pooh, so today we are going to be installing a lace closure wig. Right here you can see I'm simply putting the wig on, making sure that it's fitting, making sure that it's laying correctly. It was where I want it to be. And next we're going to start the process of melting down my cap. As you can see, I've already did my initial layer to melt it down. Right here I'm going to just make sure those edges that I had to cut are laid as well. That way there's no rolling back, it's not sliding after a couple days. So we're just going to go ahead and dot the glue on, and then we're going to spread it out and start to spread it evenly so there's drying appropriately and that everything is all smooth. In with my first layer of glue. I went in with 2 layers, but you're only going to see one off camera. So this is about how wide I like to leave my glue, or the width of glue that I like to use. I just find with this it lasts a lot longer. As I'm recording this voiceover today, I wouldn't say it's been about a week since I've had my hair done, and it's still not lifting, it's not peeling anything. So you want to make sure you're putting enough glue, enough width of glue. That does not mean put a lot of glue on your head. And you also want to go ahead and make sure that it's being spread evenly, so that way when you go in to dry it, as you see I'm doing here, it all turns clear at the same accord. So this is after my second layer. I'm just going to go in and make sure it is in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. Y'all see that scalp? And there you go. I know you see it, or more or less I know you don't see it. That's what you don't see, is that lace. But anyway, so right now I'm just going to take the rat tail comb and make sure it's all in the glue. It's all good and in there and secure. And we're going to go ahead and tie a silk scarf around it and let that cure for about 5 to 10 minutes. Coming back, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. I was so upset when I was doing my baby hairs, because after I had cut it, I realized I could not find my baby hair scissors to tweeze my baby hairs. So I had to leave them this thick and try to finesse it, which y'all will see. I think I did an okay job, but my baby hairs look much better right now. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and swoop our baby hairs. I'm using the aphogee foaming mousse right here. I like this a lot better because it's not as sticky. I just personally don't like using like gorilla snot or anything on my lace. So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure all of our baby hairs and edges are nice and laid and slicked back. Tie them down one last time. And from here we're just going to go ahead and start curling our hair. I like my hair curled. Well, more or less like a loose. I just woke up like this wave. So I'm just going to quickly put in some curls, and you're just going to watch me do that. I know you know how to curl your hair. We have a bunch of videos on here already on how to curl your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this through, and y'all will see me when I come back. So right here, we're just gonna go ahead and unwrap them baby hairs, and as you see, it's laid, honey, laid. That is scalp. She is giving scalp, okay? But anywho, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up. I think, what did I do? I finished up fixing my part, just to make sure the front isn't as wide as the rest of it. Which results, as you can see, my lace is laid. My curls are still a little tight. I usually love how my curls look the second day, but they are bouncy, they are full, they are beautiful. Them baby hairs a little thick, but we went ahead and fixed that a couple days later. But that is the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for our next video, and leave some comments down below on what I should do next. All right, that's all for today. See you later, Poohs.